The 2025 Autumn Test match as England takes on the Flying Fijians highlights. Halftime, England 14-13 Fiji.
Still the cut. Rayasi to Caliberi. Cameron Dickey doing some muscular work defensively alongside Lawrence. Silasila again. England having to dig deep defensively here. Sowakula the next on the carry. Strong start to the second period from the Fijians, playing with their 14 men, remember. Tuisova trying to pick out Finn Smith, potentially as a little opening defensively. There was none.
Yeah, he's not backed out of that confrontation, has he, Finn Smith, today?
Sawakula and on. England hanging in here, and a counter run really strong, and Coles has it. Genge flips it on, Lawrence to Finn Smith, Freeman on the chase. Really strong one too. That goes Vanigolo. Little show of the ball and sets off, and Cunningham South says no further. But the ball dislodged. England in possession, broken field in front of them. Hayes on the rumble.
Match up between Tuisova and Faye, with both I think getting to him early.
Lawrence. Now Dingwall looking for space. Faye Boso. Must jabs it on its way. And then knocked forwards by Fiji.
The first time England change a few angles, Finn Smith comes through here on the switch. There he goes, buys him, stays on the tackle. Now look at the dummy, step off the left foot from Lawrence. Sells the dummy, buys himself another 5 metres. Does the right thing by hold on. Mitchell's going to let that ball go. It's walking time out wide. Doesn't get there, but does Genge get there? I don't think he does he? They might look at that.
Bernal taken quickly by Ravi Tamanda. Eager to see advantage, and they're keen to move that ball. Rayasi taken up by Nasila Sila. In the meantime, looking to change the complexion of the scoreboard, and they blocked it brilliantly. He Canaveri in for his second of the day.
At the front, Hayes maybe just bites in a little bit before Luke Cowan.
Moment here. Coles arching his back. Spilt. Fiji. Tevez. Space on the outside if they can work it there. Marcus Smith now. Ollie Lawrence. Freeman in open space. Trying to barrel his way forwards. And Fiji block his passageway. So on we go.
Brilliant for Faye, with both owned the
For the hour mark. Tom Curry. And the ball works to Jamie George via Beno. Dingwall waiting. Freeman just hovering in behind Finn Smith now. Taken on by the forwards. Pollock. Earl. Big clear out from Curry. Here's Ollie Lawrence. Goes laterally and then tries to straighten. Finn Smith. Freeman. All dislodged. Armstrong Ravula on for the Fijians, who are under the pump here. England looking to make it pay. The ball is there with Jamie George. In comes Dingwall. George! Try! The restart from Armstrong Ravula, brilliantly taken in by Chesson. Another box kick for Faye Boso to try and get under. Knocked forwards by the England winger, who's in pain, down on the ground, and clutching an arm as Mangala races through the middle and frees it up beautifully for Kuravoli. Pins his ears back, slides it!
Did he drop it? Did it?
Ball, England starting to bite in. There's the initial break and offload. Straightens up. Lovely step off the left foot. The big question is, does he get it down? Transfers the ball. I think that bit's okay. Question is, does Kuravoli score it? No, I think he's lost it. I think he'd lose.
Has to get the delivery right here.
Pollock controlling, England surging forwards. Pollock to Spencer. Marcus Smith to Dingwall. Faye Boso. Couldn't quite keep his feet.
Advantage been called over for the penalty now.
Murray sets it up. Sawakula the provider. Now Rayasi. Some sharp a second make England's job just that tiny bit easier. Murray again into the midfield in behind Ravovo, and England's hunting him down. 1 minutes remaining. Fijians is on. Freeman waits. Feeds it to Curry. Lawrence is waiting for it, but the channel was blocked. And Fiji swallow it up. Really good read, I think that from Ravovo.
Yeah, Ravovo, great defence. Just gets that left arm out. The game's really opening up now.
Big chase on here from Armstrong Ravula. Fresh legs, putting some pressure on Faye Waboso, who sees broken field in front of him. It's not broken for long. So the bench is all empty, bar the Lions captain and England's captain, Maro Itoje. Effective little drive this from Fiji. Tongi Atama leading the charge.
Really good drive from the Fijians, tying England in. They need to time their delivery while they're still going forward if they can. England haven't given away the penalty yet, but they probably would have wanted.
Samurai whips it away. Armstrong Ravula just caught in two minds. And Dingwall was there to remind him.
Defenders can get out and try and get some big shots on them.
Still down a man, remember. Tuis over in the bin for the Fijians. They keep it tight around that 10-metre line. Why? To Hetet. Armstrong Ravula. Kick pass, looking to pick up Mangala. Got a finger on it. Oh, Smith picked it up. Smith threads it forwards. Off goes Arundel. He is lightning quick. And he might well win the race here. Arundel! The right part of the boot, I don't think. And Ravovo swings it in for Fiji. The charge down from Marcus Smith. That might fall for Arundel. It is now. Arundel poised. England poised. Pollock working it inch by inch. Oh, a little fumble at the base. Tuisova back with us and finding more depths for Fiji in tandem with Ravovo. Arundel comes through, gathers it in, slips it away, and the ball finds Ramu Montano, and Fiji have possession of the ball, but England have the penalty. Curry feeds it away, and a big surge to the line from Ben Earl. Over the top goes the skipper.
Take from Itoje as well. Had to really control the ball at the base of that ruck for the try. Itoje, the ball was rolling around on his thigh, but he didn't panic. Got control and then dived over the top.
They finish strong here. Delivery from Tongi Atama. Fiji heading to Bordeaux next to take on the French, and then Spain and Malaga will finish their little November adventure as they try and create something on the 22 through Tuisova. Let's not forget they've had to cope with those 2 yellow cards, very much self-inflicted, but a period of 20 minutes when they played a man down. And on both occasions, England profited immediately afterwards with tries. Decent pick-up that from Motokai Murray. They're making some ground here inside the 22 again. Armstrong Ravula for Mata. Tet on the carry. Final couple of minutes. Explosion of pace from Rayassi, and then Ravovo couldn't hang on as the challenge came in from Smith. The ball
Full time. England 38 to 18 Fiji.
Seal the win by a comfortable margin at the end.